I'm Dr. Pur Bhatnagar, Associate Professor, Sage School of Management. This is my video lecture in the forms of business, which comes under the general management. The learning objective. Understand the various forms of business. Realize the advantage and disadvantage of various forms of organization. Comprehend the meanings of multinational and transnational organization. Globally integrated enterprises are there. First is sole proprietorship. This is a single ownership of the firm. Whole of the business is being handled by one person. There are various advantages of sole proprietorship. It is one of the easiest way of doing the business and which is very much less expensive. It enjoys the maximum managerial control and there are a lot of tax benefits. Partnership. When the business grow up, ownership changes into sole proprietorship to partnership, owned and operated by more than two individuals. It is easy, inexpensive form of business organization. There is a large potential for a managerial control. Income tax is levied as an ordinary personal income tax on the partners. When the business grow up, we convert it into a joint stock company. Joint stock company always named limited or incorporated. It is a legal entity separated from owners. It works under a common seal. The shares are freely transferable in the stock markets. There are various types of organization. One is for profits. All the rest of the organization is profit, but the cooperative organization is not for profit. Cooperative organizationally are different organization from the rest. The purpose is to make profit, but to provide the members the goods and services at the very reasonable price, such as a movie. There are multinational organizations. These organizations are established at their home, but their branches are being spread throughout the world. Their production and service facilities are outside their home country. They serve the host countries. Thank you.